see it leaking? Bayan?
Mama, what happened? Look at how the
You can see the leak.
Yeah, you can see it, the water.
There's the water. The water is leaking. Just had the water turned on and the house is leaking from the roof. There's a leak. All this water coming down from the ceiling. Go outside. Show you the leak on the outside. There's a leak on the exterior of the building. The stucco is starting to come off. You can hear the water coming and hitting the ground, leaking inside the home. Now let's go upstairs.